Today, we're embarking on a particularly intriguing topic, deception detection. While it's not an exact science, understanding the telltale signs of dishonesty can be a valuable skill, both in your personal and professional life. Deception is a complex phenomenon, and people lie for various reasons, from harmless white lies to malicious deceptions. However, our bodies often betray our true intentions, leaking subtle cues that can reveal when we are being less than truthful with others. Let's explore some of the common body language indicators of deception. Verbal and nonverbal incongruence, contradictory statements. The person's words don't match their nonverbal cues. They might say, "I am fine," when their facial expression shows sadness or stress. Mixed messages. Their body language sends conflicting signals. They might smile while their eyes show fear or anxiety. Micro expressions. Fleeting expressions. These are brief facial expressions lasting less than a second that reveal a person's true emotions, even if they're trying to mask them. Watch for flashes of anger, fear, or disgust that contradict their verbal message. Eye contact. Avoiding eye contact. Liars may avoid making eye contact, especially when confronted with a direct question. Excessive blinking. An increase in blinking can signal nervousness or deception. Pupil dilation. Pupils tend to dilate when someone is aroused or stressed, which can occur during deception. Facial touching. Mouth covering. A hand covering the mouth can be a subconscious attempt to suppress a lie. Nose touching. Touching the nose can be a sign of increased blood pressure, a physiological response to stress or lying. Eye rubbing. Rubbing the eyes can be a subconscious attempt to block out the deceit or avoid eye contact. Gestures and movements. Fidgeting, restlessness, tapping feet, or playing with objects can reveal nervousness and discomfort. Shoulder shrugging. A one-sided shoulder shrug can be a sign of uncertainty or lack of commitment to what the person is actually saying. Freezing. Liars may suddenly become very still as if trying to control their body language. Verbal cues. Stalling tactics. They might repeat the question or may use filler words or provide overly detailed answer to even the simplest questions. Vocal changes. Their voice might become higher pitched, softer, or shakier when they're lying. Important caveats. No single sign. There is no single Pinocchio's nose for lying. Deception detection is about looking for clusters of cues and inconsistencies. Individual differences. People vary in their baseline body language. What's normal for one person may not be very appropriate for another one. Context matters. Consider the situation and the stakes involved. High-stakes situations can cause even honest people to exhibit nervous behaviors. While observing body language can be helpful, it's important to remember that it's not foolproof. The best way to detect deception is to combine the nonverbal cues with other information, such as the person's past behavior, their motivations, and any inconsistencies in their story. If you suspect someone is lying, trust your intuition, but also seek supporting evidence before jumping into the conclusions. I hope this lecture has given you some valuable insights into the fascinating world of deception detection. Remember, body language is a powerful tool, but it should be used responsibly and ethically. By understanding the nuances of the nonverbal communication, you can better navigate social interactions, build trust, and make more informed decisions.